In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever wished you could speak your email instead of typing it, this is for you. Voice typing, also called dictation, lets you compose messages hands-free, saving time and reducing fatigue while keeping your thoughts flowing naturally. Let's start with the basics in Outlook. First, create a new message by selecting New Mail. Click into the message body so your cursor is exactly where you want your words to appear. In the toolbar, look for the Dictate icon, which looks like a microphone, and click it. If your browser shows a prompt asking to use the microphone, choose Allow so Outlook can hear you. Once it's on, begin speaking clearly at a comfortable pace. You'll see your words appear in real time. When you're done, click the Dictate icon again to stop listening. Then skim your message and make quick edits with the keyboard if needed before sending. A few tips while you speak. Reduce background noise to help accuracy, and try to enunciate names and numbers. If you want punctuation, say it naturally as you go, like comma, period, or question mark. Short sentences are easier for the system to transcribe correctly, and brief pauses can help it catch up without losing your place. Now, if you're using Outlook on a Mac with Microsoft 365, you have two easy options. Option 1 is built right into Outlook. Open a new email and click Dictate in the ribbon at the top. The microphone will activate and you can